In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to listen to music together on Discord. By the end, you and your friends will be listening in the same voice channel using a music bot, all without leaving the app. Start by opening Discord and joining a voice channel on the server where you want to play music. This is important because the bot will stream audio into the voice channel you're currently in. If you're not in a voice channel, it won't know where to play the music. Next, go to the Discover section inside Discord, then switch to the Apps tab. This is Discord's built-in directory for approved apps and bots, which makes setup safer and simpler than hunting for links on the web. In the search bar, type Green Bot. Look for the result labeled Green Bot, then select it. You'll see its app page with a description and permissions overview. Click Add App. If you don't see the Add button or the server you want, you may not have permission to add apps to that server. In that case, ask a server admin to grant you the Manage Server permission or to add the bot for you. Choose the server where you want Greenbot installed, then click Continue. You'll be shown the permissions Greenbot needs, like the ability to connect, speak, and read messages. These are required so it can join voice channels and respond to commands. Click Authorize and complete any verification prompt that appears. After authorization, Discord usually shows a confirmation highlight or a prompt to jump back to your server. Click the highlighted option and then open your server. Make sure you're still connected to the voice channel where you want the music to play, and open a text channel where you can type commands, such as a bot commands channel. In the message box, use the / command to start a song. Type, play, then select the command. If a menu appears, you'll see a field called Query. Type the name of the song or paste a link from a supported platform, then press Enter. Greenbot will join your voice channel and begin playing the track. If you don't hear anything, confirm that you're in the correct voice channel and that the bot has permission to connect and speak in that channel. From here, you can keep adding songs by repeating the same #play command to build a queue. For more controls like pause, skip, or volume, type a / to browse the bot's available commands. Enjoy your shared listening session.